All right, no time to waste today. I know we have a lot of precious metal supporters that don't like crypto in the tag economy community, but whether you like crypto or not, there's a crazy chance right now to make a lot of money. I'm going to be covering my top low to mid cap cryptos today that I think can 10x to 100x plus. And I'm talking about where we are from right now, not like if you invested 6 months ago, like you invest right now. I think minimum you'll 10x from these picks, and some of them 100x plus on your money. So let's start the list with what's probably my favorite on the list, and that's Cubic. This project is an absolute monster, and it has a market cap of around $600 million, which is actually the highest on my list today. But the crazy part is the 600 million market cap has been achieved by only being listed on two virtually unknown exchanges, and that is SafeTrade and Tradeover. When this thing hits the tier 1 and tier 2 exchanges, it's going to absolutely skyrocket. Now, I first heard about Cubic from Braver Crypto, who's like an OG in the crypto space, and he's known for his early picks on really killer coins. He's a really big supporter of Kaspa too, but for me, Kaspa is just too high of a market cap. I think it can do a lot of money from here as well, speaking of Kaspa, but it's not something I invest in. I actually have an alternative to Kaspa, which I believe is going to 100x plus from here, and I'm going to cover that in my number 2 pick. But staying on Cubic here, so this post from Q Silver, he recently did a test here, and he did about 1 million QX transactions on the Cubic mainnet yesterday, he said. On ETH, that would have cost literally tens of millions of dollars. On Cubic, the cost was less than $10. He says trade without regard to gas fees on Cubic. So that is huge. Now, here's Cubic's official website here. It's cubic.org. And if I fully explain what Cubic was and what it did, this section alone of the video would take like 30 minutes. So I just want to give you like a quick rundown. So it's built by CFB, or it's known as Come From Behind. His real name, Sergey Ivangello, I believe is how you say it, who's a legend, and this is a project that's been in development since 2012. Some people even think that Sergey is Satoshi Nakamoto. I highly doubt it, but a lot of people do believe that. So this guy also developed IOTA, which was super successful. I believe he left to put his full focus into the Cubic project. So Cubic is truly amazing at what it does. It does an unbelievable 40 million transactions per second. It has feeless transfers, instant finality, live smart contracts, a burn mechanism for usage and smart contract creation. It's truly decentralized. It has self-learning AI with AI Garth. There's no pre-mining, there's no VCs, and it's 100% community driven. This is a monster. It's really cool. They're actually holding an event in May where the heads of Microsoft AI are going to be there, the heads of HSBC AI, HashKey. So this is a huge product that a lot of really big people are tied up with. Even at nearly a $600 million market cap, I still think it can 50x from here. And many people think it can 100x and even hit the top 5 coin list not long from now. I had this at number 1, even though it's the higher market cap project on my list, because it has a very high reward to risk ratio, right? It's a lower risk being a very solid project and already a somewhat higher market cap, medium range. At the same time, it's so high without even having any tier 2 or tier 1 listings. And all the stuff is still coming. Like, this project is going to explode. So even with that market cap, it can still 50x plus from here, and that's why it's my number 1. So number 2 on my list is Mazi. Now, this is like the Kaspa kind of replacement here, and this is a future-ready layer 1 blockchain. This is a much lower market cap at around $20 million right now, but Mazi is a monster in its own right. Now, big credit to Ripple Riddler. That is who I first heard about Mazi through, and this guy is a beast. He actually is someone who bought Kaspa very early on, and you can see here in his latest post, he's saying, don't buy Mazi today at 20 million market cap. Wait till it hits 3 billion market cap like Kaspa did. Wait for YouTubers to start talking about Mazi. And then he lists out, it's proof of work, DAG, EVM, has privacy, 40,000 transactions per second, which is double that of Kaspa already. 1 second finality, it's quantum resistant, has smart contracts. So he believes this is already better than Kaspa, and it's only going to get better. And Kaspa, let me remind you, has a $2.5 billion market cap. This is only 20 million. And I love how he said, wait to buy it till YouTubers start talking about it. Well, I'm going to get the early jump, but I'm going to let you guys know about it early. This one could be absolutely huge, and I could definitely see this 100x plusing from here. And what's crazy is almost no one is talking about this yet. I got this at around 0.004 cents per coin. It's currently at about 0.008, a little above that. And what I really love is how strong it was during the recent 2-month dip. So, March and April were kind of crappy months for Bitcoin. It had that big rise, and all of a sudden, we needed to cool off. During that cool off period, it showed extremely strong hold the whole time, which is what you really want to see. It didn't really dip that much. And then today, it showed actually a big increase. We had like a 37% increase so far. So it's just a very strong project. And you can pick up Mazi on Uniswap. You can see he's also a supporter of Cubic as well. And he's actually announcing right here that Cubic is going to be listed on Gate.io on May 9th. So it's soon hitting those other exchanges. It's coming. So Cubic is going to explode, but I think Mazi will as well. Now, for number 3 through number 7 on my list, the next 5, I'm going to kind of group these together, right? I'm going to kind of package them. And I'm huge on AI this cycle. I think it's going to absolutely explode. And these are my 5 kind of pure AI coins in no particular order. So number 4, we got Hash AI, and this is currently around a $150 million market cap. At number 4, we have Desync or Destra Network, and this is currently at about a $280 million market cap. At number 5, we have Yai or Y, I don't know how you pronounce this, but this is a smaller market cap in the AI space, and this is around 17 million. At number 6, we have Node AI, or also known as GPU. This is around a $140 million market cap. And at number 7, we have Pal AI. This is around a $320 million market cap or so right now. Now, all of these 5 AI coins can be found on Uniswap. Pal AI and Desync, you can find those on a couple other like Gate.io and a few others. I think Pal has the most listings. But for the most part, you're going to find all these on Uniswap. And it's really hard to order these because I like all of these for different reasons. I personally like lower cap coins because you have the higher chance of having higher returns. But of course, there's also the higher risk that comes with that. So out of the group, Pal AI and Destra Network or Desync are the 2 of the higher market caps out of these 5. But I still think both of those can 10x from here, especially Desync. Now, Yai or Y is only a $17 million market cap, but I think this one has a potential to 100x plus. This could be an absolute monster, being an awesome AI oracle. Then I think Hash AI is going to be a monster as well. The rate at which their team is building is unbelievable. So Hash AI has a ton of possibilities as well. But these are 5 of my top picks for the AI space where it's like pure AI type coins all the way from small to medium size cap. I own all 5 pretty heavily. I mean, AI, in my opinion, is just going to explode in general. We got NVIDIA earnings coming out. ChatGPT 5 is going to be released soon. We got all the AI Apple stuff going on. You got Microsoft's $100 billion AI fund. Sam Altman is raising $7 trillion for GPU chips and the AI advancements. So this space is just going to get absolutely crazy from here, in my opinion, and I think you need to get ahead of it. So number 8 on my list is Space Mesh, or also known as SMH. Now, this doesn't show the market cap for some reason, but the market cap for SMH right now is around $50 million. And look, this video, it's getting pretty long, and this one is another one where I could spend quite a bit of time talking about Space Mesh and what it is. So if you want to know more about Space Mesh, I recommend you go to their website, spacemesh.io. But I think this is another one that could potentially 50x to 100x from here. This could be a huge one, and not a ton of people talk about it. So number 9 on my list is Rio. Now, this is one of my number 1 RWA plays. I'm definitely much heavier in AI, but I also like the RWA angle, or the real world assets angle, and I think Rio is one of the top choices in that space. You can find their official website at realio.fund where you can get more information, but their focus is basically digital private equity, and I think they're going to be an absolute monster. Now, I do have some honorable mentions that I want to leave you with. On the AI side, I really like Spectre AI, which is around a $17 million market cap, and then also Deep South AI, which is also $17 million market cap. So they're both smaller market caps in the AI space, but I think these 2 can absolutely be huge. They've both showed really great strength throughout the recent dip, especially Spectre. So I think these 2 are some great honorable mentions in the AI space that are low cap coins. Another one that makes my list is Tatsu. That's TATSU. And I like this one based off a Bitsanor play, Tau, which is very well liked in the crypto community. A lot of people love Tau, also known as Bitsanor, and Tatsu is based off Bitsanor, and I think that it's a lower cap that can do really well. And then lastly is the smallest capped of all my coins at $6 billion market cap, and that is Drops, or DROPS. And although it's a higher risk being such a low market cap, I think this one could be an absolute monster doing easily 100x plus, so that is why it makes my honorable mentions. Again, not many people talking about it yet, and I think it's one that's going to actually blow up like crazy. But I want to know, have you already invested in any of these? Leave me a comment. Let me know what you're investing in. What projects do you like? Do you agree with the ones I said, or do you have other ones you like better? Let me know. Leave a comment. I'll tell you what's going to be really fun, though, is coming back to this video a year from now and saying, told you so. See you soon.